Surly Bikes Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a cycling enthusiast, the Surly Bikes app promises to make your biking experience smoother, but does it really deliver? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming the app is just a product catalogue. In reality, it allows you to browse the full range of Surly Bikes, check specs, locate dealers, and even see real-time availability. It's a one-stop resource for riders who want to make informed decisions before buying. Another advantage is community integration. The app connects riders to local events, group rides, and maintenance workshops. You can also access tips for customizing your bike, tutorials on repairs, and recommendations for compatible accessories. This makes it more than just a shopping tool, it's a hub for passionate cyclists. However, there are cons. Some users report that the interface can be slow, especially when loading dealer inventories or large images. Notifications aren't always consistent, so you might miss out on event updates or special promotions. Additionally, the app doesn't yet offer features like RID tracking or integrated ride analytics, which some competitive cyclists might expect. In conclusion, the Surly Bikes app is excellent for browsing products, connecting with local riders, and staying informed about community events. The surprising truth is that while it's highly useful for planning purchases and staying connected, it doesn't replace dedicated ride tracking apps or in-person dealer visits for hands-on experience. If you love Surly Bikes and want to stay engaged with the brand and local biking events, this app is a solid companion, but it works best alongside other cycling tools.